Maluma is a Colombian singer and songwriter who has risen to fame in recent years. With a distinctive style and catchy songs, he has become one of the most successful Latin music artists in the world. In this blog post, we will explore Maluma's net worth and investments, starting with his early career and rise to fame, and delving into his current sources of income and investments. Early career and rise to fame. Juan Luis Londoño Arias, better known by his stage name Maluma, was born in Medellin, Colombia in 1994. He began his music career at a young age, recording his first song when he was only 16 years old. Maluma's breakthrough came in 2011 when he released his debut single Farandulera, which became a hit in Colombia and helped him to gain a following. In the years that followed, Maluma continued to release hit songs and gain popularity in Colombia and other Latin American countries. He signed with Sony Music Latin in 2014, which helped to expand his reach and gain more international attention. Since then, Maluma has become one of the most successful Latin music artists in the world, with millions of fans around the globe. Sources of income. One of the main sources of income for Maluma is his music. He has released several successful albums, including Mahia, 2012, Pretty Boy, Dirty Boy, 2015, and FAME, 2018. His songs have topped the charts in numerous countries and have been streamed billions of times on platforms such as Spotify and YouTube. In addition to his music, Maluma has also made a fortune through endorsement deals. He has partnered with companies such as Pepsi, Michelob Ultra, and Adidas, among others. According to Forbes, Maluma's endorsement deals have earned him millions of dollars in recent years. Maluma has been successful with his investments, particularly in real estate. In 2019, he purchased a luxury apartment in Miami Beach for $5.3 million. The 4,700 square foot apartment features 4 bedrooms, a private pool, and stunning views of the ocean. In addition to his real estate investments, Maluma has also invested in a range of other ventures. He has partnered with the Colombian eyewear brand Zus and launched his own line of sunglasses in 2020. Maluma has also invested in a restaurant in Medellin, called La Brasa Roja, which specializes in traditional Colombian cuisine. Maluma's net worth is estimated to be around $40 million, according to Celebrity Net Worth. However, this estimate may not take into account all of Maluma's sources of income and investments. His net worth is likely to continue to grow as he expands his business ventures and continues to release hit songs. Conclusion. Maluma is one of the most successful Latin music artists in the world, with a massive following and a string of hit songs. His music and endorsement deals have earned him millions of dollars in recent years, and his investments in real estate and other ventures show that he is also a savvy businessman. As Maluma continues to grow his career and expand his business ventures, it will be exciting to see what the future holds for this talented artist.